Today we talk about how can you disable notifications on your Samsung Members app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next. So you just click on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications, you just click on it. So you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this. Click on notification categories down here. So you come here to all notifications, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean all notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.